What if everything you thought you knew about matter was wrong? At the beginning, at the 20th century, atoms were believed to be solid and indivisible. Then one man challenged that idea and shattered it forever. His name was Ernest Rutherford, and his discoveries gave birth to nuclear physics. Ernest Rutherford was born in 1871 in rural New Zealand, far from the great universities of Europe. His family was large, money was scarce, and life revolved around farm work. As a child, Ernest spent his days milking cows, helping his family, and swimming in nearby creeks. But even in this quiet countryside, his mind was always searching for answer. At the age of 10, Rutherford received his first science book. That single book changed his life. For the first time, he realized that the world followed rules that could be tested, measured, and understood. Science became more than curiosity, it became his purpose. Inspired by what he read, young Rutherford built a small cannon as an experiment. It exploded, but instead of fear, Rutherford felt excitement. Failure didn't discourage him, it convinced him that discovery always comes with risks. Rutherford's talent soon earned him scholarships to elite schools. He excelled in mathematics and science and became known for his energy, discipline, and determination. He believed deeply in one idea: knowledge must be proven through experiment. At university, Rutherford thrived in laboratories and lecture halls. Surrounded by equations and instruments, he sharpened his experimental skills. This was where he developed the mindset that would define his career: question everything and test it. In 1895, Rutherford arrived at the Cavendish Laboratory in Cambridge. It was the center of the scientific world. Atoms were still mysterious, invisible objects, but Rutherford was about to change how humanity understood them forever. While studying uranium, Rutherford noticed something strange. Some radiation could be easily blocked, while other radiation passed straight through metal. He named them alpha and beta radiation. This discovery revealed that atoms were not simple, they were active and complex. Working with Frederick Soddy, Rutherford proposed the theory of radioactive decay. Atoms, they realized, were not eternal. They naturally transform over time, release energy from deep within. This idea completely redefined chemistry and physics. Then came the experiment that changed everything. Rutherford fired alpha particles at an extremely thin sheet of gold foil. Most passed through, but some bounced back. It was as if a bullet had hit tissue, paper, and returned. The atom was not solid, something powerful was hidden inside. Rutherford concluded that nearly all the mass of an atom was concentrated in a tiny central nucleus. This discovery gave birth to nuclear physics. The atom was no longer a mystery, it was a system. In 1908, Rutherford was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. His work had reshaped science and opened doors no one had imagined before. During World War I, Rutherford applied his knowledge to submarine detection. His work saw that physics wasn't just theoretical, it could change the course of history. In 1919, Rutherford achieved another historic milestone. He became the first scientist to artificially trigger a nuclear reaction. For the first time, humans had changed the nucleus of an atom. These discoveries earned Rutherford a lasting title, the father of nuclear physics. His work laid the foundation for nuclear energy, medicine, and particle science. Rutherford passed away in 1937, but his legacy lived on. Modern experiments like the Large Hadron Collider stand on the foundation he built. His life reminds us that progress began with curiosity, courage, and the courage to question the impossible. Ernest Rutherford didn't just study the atom, he changed how humanity understands reality itself.